Before you try to make money from trading, you must understand one dangerous truth. Trading isn't about predicting the market, it's about managing risk. If you don't understand this today, you may lose money tomorrow. Welcome to day one of our 100 days trading learning journey. I'm your guide D from DT Bytes. And for the next 100 days, we build skill, not fantasy. Most beginners think trading means I think price will go up or I feel it will fall. That is prediction thinking. But professional traders don't predict. They calculate probabilities. Let me explain simply. If I toss a coin, I don't know what the next toss will be. But I know the probability is 50%. Trading odds the same. You never know what this trade will do. But with a good system, you can know that over 100 trades, you have an edge. Trading is a business of probabilities, not a guessing game. Imagine this. You risk 10 bucks per trade. Your strategy wins 6 times, and when you win, you make 20 bucks. When you lose 10 bucks. After 10 trades, 6 wins is equal to 120 bucks, 4 losses is equal to 40 bucks, and here is your total profit is 80 bucks. Did you predict every trade? No. You managed risk. You followed probability. This is why beginners fail. They try to be right. Professionals try to manage risk. Let me say this clearly. In trading, you don't need to be right all the time. You need to be disciplined all the time. And on this note, here is your today's action task. Today's task is simple. Take a notebook, write this sentence. I am not here to predict. I am here to manage risk. Read it before every future lessons. And right now, comment below. Have you ever taken a trade based on a feeling instead of a system? Be honest. We grow together here. And this is the one. If you are serious about learning real trading, don't forget to follow TD Bytes. Tomorrow we talk about why trading isn't gambling. Remember this always. And here is our today's DT Bytes reminder of the day. Traders manage risk, gamblers chase prediction. See you tomorrow. And last but not the least, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button and don't forget to comment. And if you are watching outside of YouTube like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or TikTok or any other platform, don't forget to follow us for these valuable learning sessions. So this is for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.